Hi, welcome to week 13, or it might still be week 12 for you. You're just working ahead, making sure you got some things off your plate before you uh, enter into the Thanksgiving week. But this week 13, two things we're going to do here is we're going to embed some media in a blog post, which is a simple YouTube embed code, and we're going to categorize or add categories to our posts. So once again, let's get right to it. So I am on my UC Web Management page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add a blog post. And I'm simply going to title my my page. And in here, I need some code. And that's what we're going to do. There's visual we can add if we've already got videos and things in there. We can do all this rich text editing, but using some HTML editing. So kind of gone full circle here. We started off the course with HTML, and here we are relatively near the end. We're actually going to embed some actual code. So I'm going to go back to the video that I posted last week. You can post any video you'd like. And you may have seen this before, you may not have, but obviously there's the share on any YouTube video. And actually, we're just going to go one over to the embed code. And you can probably look, and some of that should make sense to you. And let's just copy the iframe, which is just the HTML code for an iframe. And I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back to WordPress. And I'm actually going to make sure I'm in the HTML. And I'm going to paste that code, and you can have some fun with it, and you can try and figure out, what are some of these codes telling me. I'm sure you can figure out what the width and height are. You can see the actual URL to my website right here. You see an open iframe and a close iframe command, right? And then just to check to make sure that it's going to work, I'm going to go right back to visual, and all I did is post. You can add some text in here, you can add some other things, but you know that it's going to work. There you go. That's how you insert a YouTube video. That's the biggest assignment. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to then categorize. Right. So category and tags. I have a post on the website describing the difference between category and tags and why you would use one. Really, categories is something that the administrator of the site has to set up, and then you can force the users as they post. If there's multiple the posts, they got to categorize. That way, when you have thousands and thousands or hundreds or even tens of posts on your website, then the viewer can choose a category, and they'll only see the videos that have been uh, categorized in that category. I want to say tag, but it's a little different. Now tags, you can add tags just like you're familiar with hashtags and things on Twitter and the like. So tags can really be used by the person that's posting. And once again, it's just another way of sorting or quickly finding one video from many. So over here, the only category I have right now is uncategorized. You're probably the same. I'm going to add a new category, and I've asked that you name that category, spell it right, but name it videos. And you can have top level categories, just like pages. You can have subcategories, just like you can have subpages and the like. So I'm going to click add, and now you see I have two categories, and I'm going to uncheck the uncategorized, and I'm going to leave videos, my YouTube video categorized as videos. All right. And then I publish immediately, and you will see when I go back to the home page, right, you'll be able to see that I can view. It's an embedded. It's not a link to a YouTube video. It's an embedded video, so I can watch the video right here within the WordPress website. I don't have to go outside and open up a new window and the likes. And there's even ways to turn off those pop-ups and things. But have fun with it. Post a YouTube video, categorize it, and enjoy your turkey.